Yo guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. Welcome to the channel. My name is Teoluckzboom. Now do dance dance challenges for you guys. Yes, today we're dancing. Oh, I got the feeling. Oh, I got the feeling. So in case you are new here, you must subscribe to my channel. Kindly subscribe down below, like this video and share it, guys. Make sure to comment what you think in the comment section. If you are new here, comment, let me know you are new so I can give you a shout out. Basically, shout out to Adrian. I don't know if I pronounce your name well. Shout out to Adrian. Shout out to Shirley. Is it Shirley? I think I'll give you guys more shout out because you guys have been commenting on my videos. And thank you. I think it's Adrian from Cuba and Shirley from, is it the US? I don't know. I don't really know, but shout out to you guys, obviously. And I'll be giving shout out to more people that come to my video as time goes on, basically. Now, today this dance has two variations, basically. There's the girl style and the boy style. Basically, I'm doing the boy style. So if you are a girl, you can basically just do it side, 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 side. Push it. I got a feeling. Basically, that's what they're doing. They turn their waist side, side. Yada yada. You get the gist. But if you want to do the boys dance, watch this video up to the end, guys. Now let's dive right into my next screen. So basically, this video is mirrored. So you're looking at your right hand, you're looking at the left hand, obviously. So the first step in this dance is, so I think the dances has their names. I'll put the names up here right now. Right now, I cannot pronounce it for you guys. So I'll just put the name up here during the dance. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, let's go. So the first step is, I got the, you see, basically you're kicking forward, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Just 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you seeing, guys? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. You can alternate it, guys. If this leg on start with, you can start with legs. This leg on start, you can start with legs. Basically, I'm not rigid. Niggas, I ain't rigid. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically, this is the move for your leg. Now let's get to 1. So your hands are basically doing close, open, close, open, close, open, close, open. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's easy as daisy, although it's energy consuming, but it's easy basically, guys. So let's go. 5, 6, 7, let's go. I got ya. I get me? I got ya. Just, your hands are just basically doing like this. I got ya. So once you're able to get that step, yeah, if you're able to get that step, remember, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and comment the dance you want to see in the first video here. Basically, guys. So let's go from this. Let's go. The next step is 1, 2. 1, 2. So you're doing from the start. Now let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. I got that feeling. I think 1, 2. It's easy as daisy, guys. You getting me right? You literally getting me? Let's go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go, go. I got that feeling. I see that. So that step is 1, 2. Just. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2. Which is I got that feeling. I get it, guys. So once you are good with that step, your next step to do is 1, 2, 3, 4. I got that feeling. When we start up to this point, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, let's go. I got that feeling. I got that. Listen, guys. So once you have done this, 1, 2, you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You do. I hope you are getting me, guys. Shebi, I'm not too fast. Shebi. Who knows the Shebi? Hope I'm not too fast. Like, Shebi, I'm not too fast. Because if I'm too fast, it's a problem. No problem. Guys, just let me know in the comment section if I'm too fast. Or I'm doing it at the right pace. We can get it. Let's go start. From the start. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, let's go. I got that feeling. I got that feeling. I showed you guys something. show you guys the next step just now. So the next step basically is please cross, cross, criss, cross, criss, cross, criss, cross, criss, cross. This is what you're basically doing. Criss, cross. If you get me, guys, so you're doing criss, cross, criss, cross. Let's go. Let me start. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Let's go. Sorry. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Let's go. I got that feeling. I got that feeling. So I think that's where you cross. Cross. When you are thinking, how can I jump now? How can I jump? Just do 1, 2. So it's 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Just do that. You cannot jump. You cannot do this. Cross. Just do 1, 2. So let's go. We start. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Let's go. I got that feeling. I got that feeling. Hope you getting me, guys. So once I've gotten over this point, you're literally at the end of the dance. We just have just one more step to go, guys. Just one more step to go. But before that, we have to do this dance very slowly so that you people can take it and digest it. You get the concept, right? Let's go. We start. 5. Let's do the slow-mo pace. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. I got the feeling. I got the feeling. Listen, it's easy. You literally got a feeling when you learn this dance, guys. And don't forget to tag me on your videos if you are doing the dance tutorial. Put hashtag Teoluckzboom if you have done any of the steps. Because the steps are divided into 4 segments. So you can do it anyone on your dance. You cannot do it. I got a feeling. I got a feeling. I cannot basically doing. I got a feeling. Yeah. Or you can actually be doing just. I got a feeling. I think, guys. So you can do it in various segments. Yeah. You can segment your dance. And this any item. So let's go at now. So the last step on this dance tutorial basically is I got a feeling. I gotta cover my razors. But you gotta see my razors. I think, guys, please. I got a feeling. So let's go to the start. 5, 6, 7. Let's go to the end. Well, didn't up to the end, guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. I got a feeling. I got a feeling. I got a feeling. That's just the last step of the dance, guys. So just 1, 2, 3, 4. So you spread your legs, put your hands in the middle between your legs. Then you raise your hand like this. Start 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then forward, backward, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Hope you get in it, guys. Hope you literally get in it. Let's go. Start one more time. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Let's go. Oh, I just remembered just now. I'm going to do that dance, that challenge. So let's do it one last time. Dun, 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 dun. My name is Nice. I got beaten by a radio at his fight, that kind of thing. Don't mind me, guys, I'm joking. So let's go around to the dance tutorial. Now the last step is let's just do everything together so you can get the concept. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. I got that feeling. I got that feeling. I got that feeling. So basically, guys, that's the dance tutorial for this freestyle dance trending on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. You have it. Name the social media you want to name. Facebook included on it. Name the social media. You can do this dance anywhere. So in case you are new to this channel or you watch the video up to the end, I must subscribe to my channel. Please kindly subscribe down below, like this video, and share it to your friends and comment which dance to try want me to do in dance in the next video, and I'll do it specifically for you basically, guys. And don't forget to watch these videos over here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Shout out.